Hey guys, I'm at Walmart again. I'm at the grocery store right now. Andy, do you want to walk? Good boy. See, those are the rocks. When you wear flip-flops, they hurt. So I need to wear some boots and they feel much better. What are you doing? You're getting caught. Come on, Andy. So here's the road. We're in the middle of nowhere. There's some cows, I believe. I don't know if you can tell, but... Hey, walking back home. He keeps pulling, so I'm like shaking a little bit. You want to go back home? So there's the garden and there's my house. Come here, Andy. Come here. Bye-bye. Bye, Andy. I will be cleaning out my closet and hanging all the clothes that I folded and put aside, since I don't have any hangers at the moment, but they just came in, so I'm going to hang them up later. I just have to finish all the stuff that are in the trash bags and whatnot. Okay, so I'm nowhere near done. My husband just put the vanity table here for me and my shelf, and I started putting stuff that I don't need to take out yet. So I'm just gonna leave it here for now, and some of my makeup are in a box, and I've already put some stuff in the closet that I need to be out of the way first, and I'll do those last. So I still need to get rid of the stuff that I don't need, donate some of the clothes and stuff, so yeah. Okay, so the closet isn't done yet. I am still waiting for the hangers. This is basically what I got done. I still have clothes all over here, and then I have my vanity table here, so I'll do a separate video on that. It's a mess. Okay, so when you walk into the closet, there's a door behind this door, and there's a small closet here, so I think I'm going to put my husband's clothes in here. So he has some clothes out here, so I think I'm gonna put some here because I feel like I have more clothes than him, of course, but I'm gonna put his clothes here and see if and put the clothes that he needs out here. So I'm just gonna put all the clothes that he doesn't use here, and then over here I'll probably put the clothes that he needs there. So we'll see once I'm done. Okay, so I'm done with this side of the closet. I just put the dress shirts and some pants, some jackets here, and then I put over here all the stuff that my husband needs, like his sweaters, his work clothes, and all that stuff. So yeah, and I have more space for my clothes. So these are the clothes that I can fit. I used up the hangers that I got in the mail. It's not enough, but I still have a lot of clothes that I need to fold. My room is a mess. Probably gonna put all of the clothes over here because I don't have any more hangers. I honestly don't know what to do. I don't have a dresser, so we'll see what I'm gonna do. So here's my closet. It's still a mess. So all the clothes that were there, I put them in the trash bags because I don't have any more hangers and I honestly don't know what to do. And I also put clothes on top of there. I know it's a mess. I don't have any drawers. I have so many clothes. And then like back when I had my old house, I had a lot of clothes and then I donated them, and then I had a whole bunch of hangers left. And all those hangers, I don't know where they went, but I could have used them for my new home. But then now I have all these clothes that are in trash bags and on there. If I buy more hangers and all the other hangers at the old house wound up somewhere and we find them again, then I'll have like extra loads of hangers. It's just so annoying. So I added more stuff. I can't record anything in my room because my son is sleeping and it's so dark. I'm just trying to clean this spot off so my room can be like a little bit clean. I honestly thought I was going to be able to finish my closet, but I just need to buy some storage containers or drawers or whatever so I can put them in. My closet is such a mess. I don't know if I should just donate half of my clothes. I don't even use most of them, so I gotta get my room clean. But this side I have to do last because my vanity station, and I just like to organize everything in sections or categories, so we'll see. Yeah. So here's my closet. Hopefully this is part one. I cleared everything out there. All the clothes are gone. Clothes are gone over there too. And then this spot will be my vanity station, and I will do a separate video on that. And those clothes right there, I'm going to donate them. So I just put it under the table. And that's just trash. And yeah, I know this video is boring, and I'm trying to do like a day in a life. I really don't do anything. I don't go anywhere. All the places are half an hour away from me, so I don't go there very often. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlogmas. Take care.